are warmly invited to the International Prophetic Online Service. This global online gathering is a time of prophetic insight, prayer, and spiritual alignment as God's Word comes forth with clarity and power. With God's own oracle, Prophet Joshua Iginla, join believers from around the world to seek divine direction for the seasons ahead and experience a fresh move of God. It is that time as our faith will be strengthened, hope restored, and spiritual directions will be provided. On the 10th of January 2026, the time is 5 p.m. Venue, it is going to be an online session via Zoom meeting. Do well to click the link and register now. Free but compulsory. It is the International Prophetic Online Service with Prophet Joshua Iginla.
Likes video, subscribe for verified prophetic insight. Share this message, someone needs to hear it.